Hi guys, this is Jolly Roger Stan Thomas Kiddie Ride. I'm going to film this again because I moved it. Internet tunes. Gotta be careful because it's a bit slippery around here, to be honest. So it just takes 2p still. Hang on, I'll put my bag over there. Yeah, I'll refill Ben Holly over there, we can see. Hang on. Please tell me this is working.
Thank you.
Yes.
Please and test, and that's a coin.
It's a bit hard struggle putting these 2p's in.
Please and test, and that's a coin. Please and test, and that's a coin.
I'm going to hold start button
That's a coin.
in case it takes it.
Please and test, and that's a coin.
Yeah, this is doing a plan of play.
Thank you. Hold on tight.
Oh!
Okay.
Yeah, remember Jolly Roger in 2006? Yeah. Yeah. Just noticed that both Thomases are gone. They're both.
Yeah, they're in store for now.
Thorvalds.
Yeah, they've got these two out.
Ah. That's unfortunate. Yeah, but the Thomases aren't gone. They're just in stalls for some reason. Maybe they're having a sleep rest. Not too sure. This is still running a longer timer for some reason. Gotta be careful because it's a bit slippery around here. You're still running a longer timer for some reason. I'm not surprised actually. Thomas's face there. And that was Jolly Roger Small Thomas Kiddie Rides.